guys, my name is Madison, and some of you might know me from my other videos. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe down below, leave a like, and when you subscribe, hit the bell button. So today I'm going to do a tour of my apartment that I'm in New York because I moved, and I'm going to show you from the front area. So this is the front area, like where you come in and then you come and there's this table. There's this weird thing right here, like the own area. And we also have if you go to like hotels or like other stuff, they have this that costs like money. We have that here. And we have the living room. That's what I think it would be called a living room. I think it's a living room because we have a table here where we eat, and we have a seat here and here, and like we put like glasses there, and we have the TV here for the living room. Right now it's late where I am. I'm at New York. I don't live in New York, but I'm at New York right now. I'm gonna send this video like when I'm awake, because when I'm awake like New York time. So you guys live at different places, so it's going to be different, and I'm going to show you. Right now, this is the Empire State Building. I'm next to it in New York. All those with that one right there.
Say goodbye.
No.
Would you have to say goodbye to my
Anyways, so we are at the Langham Hotel. I don't know how to pronounce it that much. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, and this is where the bed is. My mom was just talking to me because it's really late and I need to go to bed soon. So, yeah, that's a huge talking. So excuse that part. And anyway, so this is the bed. We have the TV here. This is like the work area because like you sit there. Do your work on that or anything. This is where my mom works, and you have that to call and stuff like that. And then this is like the makeup area. This is where you put. See, my mom has already set up for all the makeup here, and this is where all the stuff is. We just came here, so it's pretty dirty, and we were just somewhere, so our shoes are just laid out there. So we're going to put like our clothes up there in the hang. I think we're going to put our shoes there, and like luggage here, and yeah, stuff like that. Then this is our bathroom. We have a shower, and then we have a bathtub. Then bathroom. And then we have, my mom's talking, so I have to leave very quick, so yeah, then we have this, which is the, like, where you brush your teeth and stuff. I forgot what it's called, so sorry about that. Bathroom, sink, stuff like that. And this, comment down below what you think before you hear what this is. I think that when I first saw it was a camera, but it actually is. I'm going to pause so you guys go to the comment section and do what it says. I mean, what you think it is. I think it's a camera when I saw it, but I'll show you guys after. Okay. And you're done now? It's a TV.
That information is confidential. Thank you. At least that's direct. I can deal with it.
Wait.
I'll tell the princess. She'll probably tell the governor.
Okay, so yeah. I have to put it off right now. Anyway, so my name is Madison, and make sure to subscribe down below, leave a like, and when you subscribe, hit the bell button. Bye, peace, ciao.